Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about Procreate Lettering Guides and how these guides can help you level up your lettering game. I'm using the iPad Pro with the Apple Pencil and the Procreate app. If you're new to Procreate, I also have a video called 25 Procreate Tips and Tricks, which I suggest to watch first because as I draw, I'll be using these shortcut actions. I will link that video below. So grab your favorite tea or coffee and let's start drawing. So let me reintroduce myself if you're new to this channel. My name is Marina and I'm behind Draw with Marina. I know my usual content is about drawing and giving you tips and pointers on using Procreate for everyday drawing. However, today's going to be a little different, and my previous tutorial did talk about lettering and using guide templates, and this one is going to be using guide sheets. So in my other job, I also design digital planners, and you can find these at typemaven.com, and I will link all of that below. And one of my products is Procreate Lettering Guides. And in this download, you can get 88 files in PDF, PNG, and Procreate files in sizes 5x7, 8x10, 8.5x11, and A4. So I'm going to show you how to download this and how to use it. So just to quickly go through it, these are lined templates. They are 1/4 inch apart and comes in portrait, landscape, dark, and light modes. They are all transparent, meaning you can put whatever background color you want. There is also a forward slant sheet if you want to practice your forward slant lettering, and it comes in lines, grids, and dots. So here I am in my Procreate. So because I have them as Procreate files, it's really easy to import. You just hit import at the top, go into the Dropbox folder where you have it saved, and then I'm going to do the 8.5x11 grid template. So it's default going to show up in a portrait mode, but I want to do landscape since I have my iPad situated that way. I'm going to switch my layer to slant landscape. I'm just going to rotate my canvas. As you can see here is the 1/4 inch landscape, the 1/4 inch grid, and the 1/4 inch dot. And then I can select whatever background I want. I can do white. I can do a pink. So this is really neat for you to practice your lettering. So I'm going to create a new layer up at the top, and then I'm going to select a calligraphy brush. So with this calligraphy brush, I'm just going to practice writing an L. All right, that is my word love. And let's just get rid of that. So here's what we have. We can alpha lock this and then change the color. And then what's really cool, we can add some shadowing. Just to make it look a little bit 3D. And then maybe we can add some texture in the back. So I'm going to select just a little light peach. And under spray paints, I'm going to select splatter. And there you go, guys. There is the word love using some Procreate lettering guides. And I'm going to offer you guys a 30% off using the codes below. For more drawing tutorials and gadget reviews, be sure to subscribe to Draw with Marina.